Hi guys, welcome back to another favorites and I'm very scared to say that it is a March favorite. पता नहीं March सुन के मेरे को डर लगता है. But without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so starting with makeup favorites, I have a concealer with me after so long, a new base product that I'm obsessed with. I'm talking about the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I'm in the shade Tan Neutral. Now e.l.f. is officially now available on Nykaa. This retails for 800 rupees, but I didn't buy it from Nykaa. I had bought it a long time ago from an Instagram page जब e.l.f. available नहीं था, and I had bought it for 580 rupees.
Oh.
So yeah, Indian customs sucks. सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते, but still, this I have been using so much. It is a very full coverage concealer, and it has a lot of shades as well. And guys, when I say this is a 16-hour concealer. This will not move. This will just not move. I remember seeing Tati's review video long time ago, and she was also obsessed with this, and now I finally have this. You all should definitely try it out.
My makeup product is not a new launch. It's a very old product, but I recently started using it. It is a mascara by L'Oreal. So this mascara has a primer and a normal mascara obviously, and that is why I love it. That primer sides na makes a lot of volume to your lashes. So when you apply the mascara, बहुत thick lashes लगते हैं. ऐसा लगता है कि आपने falsies लगाया, but आपने falsies नहीं लगाए होते हैं, which is really good. And this is a washable variant which I have.
Now moving on to skincare favorites, I have the Lotus Herbals Safe Sun UV Screen Matte Gel. Fun story, I was using this back in the day, but since I have oily skin, you know, it becomes very tricky to find the perfect sunscreen जिससे आपको skin clogged नहीं लगेगी या बहुत ज़्यादा oily नहीं लगेगा. And since this is a matte gel, it is bang on. This has an SPF 50 and PA++ in it, which is amazing to protect your skin from the sun. And I was actually hunting for a new sunscreen. You cannot skip on your sunscreen, so I went back to my basics and I forgot how much I loved this. This has 100 grams of product and इसका MRP कुछ 450 या कुछ था, but I got it for like 340. I bought it from the Health and Glow store. So yeah, I love this.
My skincare favorite is this Dr. Sheth's On The Go Cleansing Spray. As she said, summers are here. जब हम बाहर जाते हैं बहुत stickiness लगता है, and you always need some mist, and I guess this is the best product for that time. I have done a detailed review about this. I'll link that below. You can check that out. Basically, when you're stepping out and you feel that you know your face is sticky or it's too oily, you just need to spray this and you're good to go. You don't need water or you don't need to wipe your face after this, which is really good, and it retails just for 350 rupees, so it is on a budget.
Then moving on, I have a fashion favorite, like after so long.
Yeah, and coincidentally we both have a fashion favorite.
So I have these pair of leggings. I will insert a picture here. यहाँ पे नहीं दिखेगा बराबर से. These are from Go Colors. I have the size large, and they are so comfortable, so good quality. They retail for 500 rupees, and trust me when I say this, I haven't found a better pair of leggings ever. Now obviously again summers है, jeans पहनने, oh god, don't even ask me. So that's the reason I bought this. But there's only one issue. If you wear crop tops or short tops, camel toe will be visible because this is very body hugging, but I don't really wear those. So मेरे लिए तो it is perfect. Just wear like a seamless panty inside and you won't see those panty lines. But other than that, I've washed it, I've worn it so many times. It's just good. I'm going to literally be living in these in summers. I know it's black, but still, मतलब they are so thin and airy that black भी है तो भी गर्मी नहीं लगती है.
So for me, my fashion.
Okay.
So for me, my fashion favorite is tie-dye. Tie-dye is in so much trend right now that I wanted to get my hands on that. So I went out of the box and I did it by myself. So you will see that in our weekly vlog, which is coming up soon. So basically, I tie-dyed this blue crop top by myself.
This looks so good. This is my favorite. I loved it.
Yeah, I have worn this. I'll insert a picture over there so that you can see it clearly. This is the first one. And this is the second one. Again, I love both of these. These are my favorite tie-dyes. And और एक भी किया है, वो थोड़ा light है, but still I love it.
It's not bad. Yeah. It is a pastel color. So.
Exactly. So, but I love the process of doing tie-dye, and मैं literally इसको रोज यही पहन रही हूँ.
Okay, now moving on, I have an app favorite. It is not a new app, it is a very old and basic app, and that is Myntra. Now, the reason for that is, जब से Shein ban हुआ है ना, तो मतलब obviously, especially for plus size people, it has been very difficult to find trendy clothes. Still, Myntra is not like a bang on dupe for Shein, that's for sure. But it is something, you know, it's something. For tops, for dresses, for Indian wear, for bags, footwear, it's everything under one roof. And to be very honest, with a lot of trial and error, with a lot of different apps like Ajio, Amazon, Nykaa Fashion, Urbanic, and Myntra, I still find Myntra is on top for me because they are very size inclusive. And by size inclusive, I mean they have sizes up to 9XL. And ऐसा नहीं कि 9XL है तो there'll be like 2-3 patterns. No, they have good hundreds of patterns for 9XL as well. So I think for person like me who is not exactly very plus size and who's not exactly in the normal size, it's perfect for me. You know, double XL वाले जो लोग होते हैं, you all know the struggle is real because you're not exactly plus size. So I have found a lot of fun pieces from there.
So for me, my favorite app is an app called as Clubhouse. It is a new app. I don't know if you guys are aware about it, but you should definitely check it. It is available only on iOS right now. So basically, how do you guys listen to a podcast? This is a live podcast where even you can participate. So there are a lot of people who create different rooms, and you can enter in any room. So all the rooms have different topics. कि इधर कोई बहुत chill vibe चल रही है, people are playing music. There are some rooms where people are talking some serious financial topics. There are some topics where there are some rooms where people are talking about relationships. So there are a lot of different rooms, a lot of different genres. Which is a nice way, like you know, काफी बार ऐसा होता है मैं कुछ काम कर रही होती हूँ और वो बस मैंने सुनने के लिए रख दिया होता है. It feels that people are around you, you are just talking, so you don't feel lonely.
Okay, moving on to my favorite show of the month. It has to be this Netflix series called as The Bold Type. This is about 3 girls living in New York City, of course. That is, if you don't know that by now, if anything has to do with New York, I'm watching that. So it's about 3 friends who live in New York City. They work for a magazine, and all of the 3 are in like different departments. One is in fashion, one is in journalism, and one is in social media. And it's about our age, you know, like young age. And it's about their struggles in their professional life, in their personal life, and also a lot of struggles in their friendship, and how they come out of a lot of their obstacles. And it's just really fun. It's a light-hearted show. It's not comedy at all. It's not like cheesy romantic as well, but it's somewhere in between, like a daily soap. And it has 4 seasons. I'm on season 3 right now, but I know I'm gonna love. This is like my type of genre. So yeah, this is my favorite show of the month.
For me, I don't have a favorite show, but I have a favorite book. So recently, Priyanka Chopra launched her book Unfinished by Priyanka Chopra, and I listened to it on Audible, and oh my god, I just loved her. I loved the book. While I was reading the book, I got to know so much about her childhood days, her Miss World days and all that. So I felt so good. ऐसा थोड़ा बहुत insights मिला कि अच्छा ऐसा हुआ था, अच्छा वैसा हुआ था.
Okay, now lastly, moving on to our favorite day of the month. I did a very fun activity with my cousins. I went to camping. I went to this place called as Campistan in Karjat, and it was a very fun trip. I have vlogged it, so the vlog will be up super soon, so stay tuned for that. But I don't want to give a lot of information, but it was my first time camping, so it was a very fun experience.
For me, my March was a blast month. I don't know why, but one good thing that happened to me was a good shoot day. So there's this brand called as Faces Canada, and they were shooting for their new campaign, and I was the makeup artist and the hairstylist over there, and it was such a fun shoot. There were so many girls. There were 4 models. The shoot was very hectic. Subah se like 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock the shoot was there, but it was really fun, and इतने time के बाद इतना काम करने को इतना अच्छा लगा. Even though it was hectic, we were not complaining because we were enjoying, like you know, finally we are getting to work.
So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then
please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.